distinguished guests, esteemed speakers and panelists, Consul General and colleagues from the Consular Corps, innovators, entrepreneurs, academics and investors, friends from the media, ladies and gentlemen, namaskar, good morning. On behalf of the Consulate General of India in San Francisco, it is my honor and privilege to welcome you to the AI Impact Summit, pre-summit conference here in the Bay Area. We are especially honored to have with us a pioneer, a visionary, whose insights have shaped the landscape of technology and venture capital for decades. A very warm welcome to our keynote speaker, Mr. Vinod Khosla, founder of Khosla Ventures. We are truly grateful that he is with us today to share his perspective on how AI can reshape our economies and societies. I'm also deeply honored to welcome Mr. Abhishek Singh, Additional Secretary, Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology, Government of India, New Delhi. We thank you for a warm welcome to Ambassador Namgya Kampa, Deputy Chief of Mission at the Embassy of India in Washington, D.C. I thank her and Ambassador Vinay Quatra, Ambassador of India to the United States, for their guidance and support in organizing today's conference. As you know, India will host the AI Impact Summit 2026 in New Delhi on 19 to 20th February 2026 with the theme Sarvajana Hitaya, Sarvajana Sukhaya, which means welfare for all, happiness for all, reflecting India's enduring civilizational commitment to prioritizing human well-being at the center of progress. Under the visionary leadership of our Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji, India is not merely adopting artificial intelligence, we are actively seeking to steer its course towards the global good. The AI Impact Summit 2026 will build on India's successes in digital public infrastructure, from Aadhaar and UPI to India Stack and ONDC, which have demonstrated how technology, when designed with inclusion in mind, can transform lives at scale. The AI Summit in New Delhi will bring together leaders from government, industry, startups, academia, and civil society to discuss how AI can be used responsibly and equitably to address humanity's greatest challenges in healthcare, agriculture, climate resilience, education, and inclusive governance. It will be a summit focused on solutions, partnerships, and shared commitment to ensure that the AI revolution benefits all. The pre-summit conference today plays a crucial role in advancing that journey. The sessions on human-centric innovation, responsible investment, sustainable intelligence, and inclusive AI ecosystems address the most pressing priorities facing the global AI community. I encourage all participants to engage openly, collaborate meaningfully, and think boldly about how we can collectively shape an AI future that is innovative, responsible, inclusive, and sustainable. I also invite you to explore how we can deepen collaboration between India's innovation ecosystem and the AI community here in Silicon Valley. The insights, partnerships, and commitments that emerge from today's discussions will help shape the New Delhi Summit. I want to place on record our deepest appreciation for our valued partners. I extend our sincere thanks to our partners, the Evolve Silicon Valley Foundation, led by Mr. Ram Reddy, and Indiaspora under the leadership of Mr. M.R. Rangaswamy, for their steadfast support, leadership, and commitment in organizing this remarkable gathering. Especially Ram Reddy and his team deserve special mention for their logistical support. Also thank IIT alumni, TIE Silicon Valley, Netri, and all others who have extended their support in organizing this event. I thank our keynote speaker, distinguished speakers, moderators, panelists, and all of you for being here today. I conclude by inviting you all and all AI stakeholders in the United States to register and actively participate in the AI Impact Summit 2026 in New Delhi on 19 to 20th February 2026. Thank you very much. Dhanyawad.